Hi, I'm Mamma Giuliana. My tip today is how to make a tomato sauce less sour. What we need, of course, a tomato sauce, because you can prepare everything you like, with garlic, with oil, just your tomato sauce. You put inside and you cook, you start to cook. Add some salt. So once they start to boil, maybe you try the tomato and you see that you said, oh, it's too sour. Don't put sugar, because the sugar lets you the tomato too sweet. So what you have to use is baking soda. Yes, baking soda. It's just small, like this of teaspoon, coffee spoon, it's better. Of course, depends also the quantity of tomato sauce are you using. So you see here, it's already cooking. Okay, and once it starts to boil, you put inside the baking soda. You see, you stir and it starts to come a foam. But don't worry, the foam, it's come because it's the chemical effect that has the carbon, make the carbon dioxide, which is the effect of the baking soda with go in contact with something acid. You see, sometimes, I don't know if you never try baking soda with some vinegar, and you will see it start foam and foam. And this is the same. When the foam is finished, you just cook, and don't worry. As you see, it's a very simple tip, but it's very important. So you see, the tomato sauce is done. It's not sour anymore, but remember, don't use sugar, just use baking soda.